See guys, I'm gonna cover my mouth because I didn't wear my false teeth. Actually, I lost it. Look at that. But anyway, it's nice to work for Amazon. You know what I mean? Deliver package. It was my last route, and I'm in the country. I'm in the country with my Jeep. I'm in the country delivering, and I saw this beautiful covered bridge. Look at that. See, when you work for Amazon, you see things in the country that is beautiful. Let's go take a tour. Just a quick tour. Oh my, Spencerville. Look at that. You know, before I go home, head home, I'm gonna show you this, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at this. See how nice that is? Man. The fact is, I lost my tooth. Now I need to get a dentist to get me another one. But anyway, let's go walk for a little bit. Oh, Arthur Franklin Mappies, Italian. But anyway, the story, look at that. It's only 3 tons. Look at that. The history of the saw and grist mills. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. 12 inches. I mean, you know, is the height of this covered bridge. Oh, and we have cameras. All right, let's see what is going on. Oh man, look at that. All the history. You can never see. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Yes. Whoa, somebody's, oh no, nobody's coming in here. Look at that. Beautiful river. It's beautiful. I think it's so beautiful here. But the thing is that, did you see that? Vandals. I don't know why they do it like that, but you know. Oh man, this is nice. Look at that. I'm gonna take pictures of this later on. And then after that, we'll head home. But I just want to show you guys what's all about. What's about, you know, working for Amazon. I mean, you know, contract. You see beautiful things if you deliver in the country. Look at that. Whoa, somebody's. Look at that. You got them ATV. Looks beautiful. Oh yes, look at that. Nice. No ravage or any garbage. Look at that. Man, that dude is like, woo! Look at that. Let's go on the other side. All the trees, the forest. You can beat that, dude. You can beat that. Look at that. Woo! Let's go down? Nah, let's not go down. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Spencerville, 1873. Man, this is nice. Man, I got paid for 3 hours working, delivering for $125. That's not bad. And I'm right here in the country. Grayville, Spencerville, what else? A lot of stuff. A lot of Spencerville, what else? Where did I go? Grayville. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Oh, that's off-road right there too. It's beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh man, let's go down. We got time. No, I don't think we have time, but I'm already off my route. I already deliver everything, so you know, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go down there. See what's up. You know. But I'm not gonna use, oh, you got American flag. I'm not gonna use the staircase. I'm gonna go, you know. Oh, wow, wow. Ah. I always love deadly situation. I'm always loving deadly situation. Oh. Oh, wow. This is nice. Look at that. Whew. Yeah. Just gonna watch out. Nice. Whoa, this is how they made it before. Look at that. Oh, I see. Look at that. That's old, huh? Beautiful. Covered bridge. Nice. Alright. It's enough for the BS, you know, that's enough. Let's go. Let's go, because I'm hungry. Alright, let's go run. Hopefully there's no quicksand here. Oh, man. Whoa. In my prime, I'm so athletic, you know. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna go get my camera and take pictures. Woo! Oh man, beautiful. Baby, wow, nice, nice. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh God, let's go check this out here. Oh man, and there's a multi-million-dollar house over there. That is nice. Wow. And there's a plastic chair made in China, probably. Look at that. All right. Oh, they dedicate this to the armed forces. Oh man, it's beautiful. The flood and all that. Spencer covered bridge. Questionnaire. Okay. No smoking, of course. All right, guys. I'm telling you, I'm ready to go home because I'm hungry. My delivery route is done for Amazon. I'm gonna come and take pictures and post it on my Facebook, Instagram, okay? It's Midwest Trucker, Instagram, TikTok, Instagram and TikTok is Midwest Trucker, and also YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? You know, it's nice to be delivering for Amazon, really, because at the end, I see beautiful things, and then I get the advantage of blogging. All right, see you soon.